So tell me, have you ever stared at a blank page, trying to write a project update or board memo while the deadline clock is ticking louder by the minute? You're not alone. Long-form writing can feel like dragging a boulder uphill. You're either rambling or second-guessing whether you're saying too little. But good news. In this session, we're handing over the heavy lifting to AI. You're going to learn how ChatGPT can help you structure, expand, clarify, and edit long documents, so your reports are not only faster to write, but also clearer and more impactful. Whether you're drafting a performance review, a quarterly brief, or an investor update, this workflow will be your go-to. Let's start with the first step, something I call the scaffolding method. Instead of jumping straight into paragraphs, we asked ChatGPT to create an outline, a skeleton structure. Think of it like scaffolding for a building. No walls yet, just the solid framework. Here's the prompt. Create a concise outline for a type report on topic for audience. Include sections for scope, findings, recommendations, and next steps. Limit to 7 headings with bullet subpoints. So, say you're writing a quarterly sales memo. ChatGPT will generate 7 clear sections, each with bullets. And those bullets, they become your writing prompts. This prevents you from going off track and saves tons of time organizing your thoughts later. All right, now that we've got our skeleton, let's flesh it out with the AI Paragraph Builder. This is where you take one bullet from your outline and plug it into a simple prompt. Expand this point into 150 words. Maintain a consultative tone. Audience, executives. You run that and boom, you've got a draft paragraph. Do this for each bullet and suddenly your blank page becomes a full document. It's like using a 3D printer. You load the blueprint, press print, and watch the section take shape layer by layer. You can refine the language a bit later, but now you've got momentum, and that's half the battle. Next, we'll talk about removing unnecessary jargon and doing a smart AI edit to polish things up. And this is where we bring in the jargon detox. You've probably read a report and thought, what does that even mean? That's usually a sign of too much technical fluff or unclear writing. Here's the fix. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the following paragraph for a non-technical audience. Replace jargon, shorten sentences, retain key facts. This isn't about dumbing it down. It's about making it clear and easy to follow. Imagine you're explaining it to someone outside your field, maybe a smart friend or a new hire. So instead of saying, we'll drive synergistic alignment across cross-functional KPIs, you'll get, our teams will work towards shared goals. Simple, understandable, effective. Now, once your writing is clear, let's give it one final polish using the 4Q audit, a powerful review method using ChatGPT. It answers 4 key questions. Does each section explain why it matters? Is every claim or data point supported? Can we shorten anything without losing meaning? Is the tone consistent for the intended audience? The prompt is straightforward. Review this document using the 4Q audit. Provide inline suggestions where improvement is needed. What you'll get back is a lightly marked up version, maybe with some wording tweaks, tone adjustments, or suggestions to add clarity. Think of it as your virtual editor, fast, focused, and always available. Together, these steps, outlining, expanding, simplifying, and editing, transform writing from a dreaded task into a streamlined process. You're not replacing your voice, just speeding up how clearly it comes across. Now, before we wrap up, a few quick reflection prompts for you. Which of the 4 steps, outline, expand, detox, or audit, would save you the most time in your current work? Think back to your last memo or update. Was the structure strong? Was the tone aligned? Could simpler language have helped? And lastly, how could this jargon detox help improve communication between different teams, especially tech and non-tech? Take a minute to think it through. The more you reflect, the faster this process will become second nature. Here's a quick recap. Start with the scaffolding method, outlining your report before you dive in. Use the AI paragraph builder to expand those bullets into full, thoughtful sections. Run a jargon detox to ensure your writing is clear and approachable. And finally, apply the 4Q audit to tighten, polish, and perfect. Together, these cut report writing time dramatically while raising the quality. Now, here's your action step. Grab a report you've already written, or one that's due soon. Use ChatGPT to rebuild the outline and do a jargon detox on just one section. Then download the report workflow practice sheet and track how much time you saved. If you're up for bonus points, compare your manual version with the AI-assisted one and upload it for feedback. In our next lesson, we'll tackle meetings, and you'll learn how to turn a 30-minute call into a clean, shareable summary in seconds. See you there.